Students, today we are going to cover a topic that is from your part A, chapter number 9, globalization. As you know that globalization is a multi-dimensional concept. It has both the positive as well as the negative aspects. So in this video, we are going to learn about the basic concepts of globalization and its impacts overall.
Globalization is the word used to describe the growing interdependence of the world's economies, cultures, and populations brought about by cross-border trade in goods and services, technology, and flow of investment, people, and information. It is a concept fundamentally deals with flows. Globalization is a process of interaction and integration among the people, companies, and government of different nations, a process driven by international trade and investment. This process has effects on the environment, on culture, politics, economics, and prosperity, and on human physical well-being also. Globalization need not always be positive, but it has negative consequences also. Globalization need not be only about the economic issues, nor is the direction of influence always from the rich to the poor countries. Globalization as a concept fundamentally deals with flows. These can be the ideas moving from one part to another, and the crucial element is the worldwide interconnectedness. The most important causes of globalization differ among the three major components of international market: integration trade, multinational production, and international finance. The information technology revolution has made it very difficult for governments to control cross-border capital movements, even if they have political incentives to do so. Governments can still restrict the multinationalization of production, but they have increasingly chosen to liberalize because of the macroeconomic benefits. However, those who argue that there is something distinct about contemporary globalization point out that it is the scale and speed of these flows that account for the uniqueness of globalization in the contemporary era. LPG, that is liberalization, privatization, and globalization. It relaxation of restrictions, reduction in role of state in economic activities, decline in role of government in key industries, social and infrastructural sector. Privatization, public offering of shares, and private sale of shares. This is the LPG model.
I hope with this concept of LPG, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization, you understood the concept well. Thank you for watching.